Have you ever walked into a room, smelled something familiar, or had a moment where you thought, wait, have I been here before? But you actually haven't? That, my friend, is déjà vu. It's a French word for already seen, and it's the eerie feeling that you're reliving something you've never actually experienced. But why does it happen? Is your brain glitching? Is it a memory from past life? Or something else entirely? Almost everyone has felt it, and even after decades of research, we still don't really know why it happens. Here are some theories explaining what might cause it. The brain glitch theory. The leading idea is that déjà vu is like a glitch in your brain's wiring. Your brain is constantly processing sensory info like sight, sounds, and smells, and storing them as memories. Sometimes, the part of your brain that processes new experiences might accidentally tag something as a memory before it's fully processed. Think of it like your brain hitting save before finishing the file. So when it finishes the file and saves again, you already have part of that experience as a memory. That's why you feel a vivid familiarity with the experience but can't recall it completely. The overlapping memory theory. Another theory is that déjà vu happens when your brain tries to match a new experience to an old memory, but gets it slightly wrong. Imagine you're in a new cafe, but the vibe, the lighting, or the smell of coffee reminds your brain of a place you visited years ago. The details may be similar, but are not identical. Your brain auto-completes the blanks from your past memory, which makes you get that déjà vu vibe. The dual processing theory. Some researchers think déjà vu happens when the two halves of your brain process information at slightly different speeds. Normally, your brain's left and right hemispheres work in sync, but if one side processes a moment a split second faster, it might feel like you're reliving it when the other side catches up, giving you the illusion of experiencing it before. The truth is, none of these theories fully explain it. Deja vu is rare, random, and over in seconds. We can't make it happen in a lab, so it slips through the cracks of science. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Got a question or a topic you'd love to see a video about? Drop it in the comments below and it might be the next video we make.